Hey, what's up everyone? This is Alan from BTS Tune, and I am joined by Victor's 1994 Mitsubishi 3000GT VR-4. A lot of coordinating and planning to get this car here so that I can work my magic and get it to where it needs to be. He purchased my backup set of Billet 20T turbos, custom made. But we are doing the first step, which is always supporting mods and ensuring that everything works well before jumping the gun. The car has a refresh engine, freshly built trans with spec 4 plus clutch, spec lightweight flywheel, 2-piece steel aluminum drive shaft, catless exhaust with quad tips, and an intake filter, so pretty light BPU if that. I'll be laying out the parts, getting it going, and I just want to do a quick rundown of what will be going into this car. So initially we were going to go with an AAM Series 2 standalone, but I wanted to take an initial step to keep things simple first, since that's always an option later. So as you can see here, we have an SAFC2 Black Edition with the MAF translator. We will be going with an LS6 95mm MAF, Hallman manual boost controller, always trusted and true, with a Tile QR circulated blow-off valve. The newer model AAM 340 liter per hour fuel pump, predecessor was 320, fuel injector Clinic 750cc injectors, AAM bolt-on fuel pressure regulator with a Ninja Performance gauge kit, Innovate gauges, wideband and boost, going into this custom dual gauge cluster, 52mm of course. The car already has 6466 plugs, so going with, or 4644, I'm sorry, plugs, so going with MSD wires on top of that, keep things savvy. So this is pretty much the simple recipe to get it converted to ethanol with a good tune on stock 9V turbos first. If everything looks good in the data, then 20Ts will be next, and should be around 450 or so, maybe 5. Stock intercoolers, stock hoses. Only thing left would be Ono's custom bell side mount intercoolers to keep things kind of sleek and sleeper. So this is it. Stay tuned. Start an idle on Pump-E85. Low pressure stout on Rotella T4 1540. Vacuum's much better. Been a while since I used Halo. Idling very well on Pump-E85 base tune. I'm going to try and avoid the SAFC2 and do all translator adjustments. So recirculated Tile QR, FIC 750s. Consolidated the booster lines with a crank vent. Hallman boost controller, NGK 4644s, and MSD wires. So pretty simple setup with the LS6 MAF. So first test drive. The goal here is to have the trims adjust, which they are slowly right here, and then left at the end. The goal here is to have the trims adjust since I didn't reset the ECU, so it'll run a little rich for a while. More. Okay. Seems better?
Yeah, that was smooth.
You couldn't do that before.
No, not at all. Not at all. By then I would be like head banging. Straight, right?
Yep. Go ahead. Woo! All right.
Wow.
That's some balls. Holy shit.
Wow. Hey.
You approve?
Hey, I can't turn again. Oh, I can't turn. Holy shit. Yeah, that, I don't know if you saw me do the little road.
Yep.
That shit.
That put you in your seat a little bit.
Yeah. Woo.
Woo!
Seatbelt. Wow, that was something else.
Happy?
Oh my god. Yes.
Yes.
Made me go, aye. Yeah, that was hard. Do it again.
Whoop. That's the sign. No more fun.
Check, please. I'm on my...
Oh yeah. Head. Stop. Cylinder 5. Leak down. Pretty good so far. Ready for the test?
So this is what Al said to show you. So you know, yeah, he did this. I wanted me to show you this, so you know exactly what he does. Tell me if he does a good job. That's what he does. That's no joke, huh? What do you think?
That's just scary shit, man. A step panda?
Oh, are you kidding me?
Oh,
Imagine that like 3 times.
Go up already.
That's like 3 times. Panda's 3 times the size.
That's oh man, that was badass. It's way better than the way you had it before.
Way better.